It's really important that you prepare for the OET listening test in the right way. Watch this video because I'm going to show you how. Hello, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET premium preparation providers, which means you are in the right place for your OET preparation. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this and hit that bell so you know every time we upload a new video. Let's get started. In the OET listening tests, there are 3 parts. Part A, which lasts 15 minutes, Part B, which is 10 minutes, and Part C, which is approximately 15 minutes. Let's take a look at Part A first. In Part A, you will receive a set of notes on a consultation. These contain information typically recorded by a healthcare professional, and you listen to the conversation and complete the notes. Minor spelling and grammar errors are allowed. The audio follows the same order as the notes, and the notes are provided under headings. There is some information already given and some gaps in the notes to complete, which is usually what the patient says. What strategy should you use for listening Part A? The first thing you need to do is use the 30 seconds pre-listening time effectively. Let's take a look. First, look at the context and notice any subheadings. Then read through the notes quickly, underline keywords as you go, and notice the gaps. You then listen and complete the gaps, writing on the question paper. It's really important that you improve your skills for the OET listening test. Let's take a look at some things you can do in your self-study time for listening Part A. One way is to use the transcripts to improve your vocabulary. Look at the way the notes have been expressed in the audio. For example, here, referred is expressed as "they sent me over," reduced as "I don't have much," and so on. Keep a note of synonyms and paraphrases in your notebook and review regularly. You can also use the transcripts to notice questions and signposting phrases, which can help you keep your place. For example, "Can you tell me a bit about the ulcer?" tells you that the patient is about to describe their current symptoms, and other questions tell you the answers are coming up. For example, for number 2, the podiatrist says, "Which foot?" indicating that the answer for number 2 is coming. And the other questions they ask also do this for numbers 3 and 4. It's really important that you listen to a variety of authentic audios to improve your skills for listening A. Let's take a look at some resources you could use. Matthew Smith's YouTube channel contains lots of GP patient role plays, which are a good source of patient speak, contain natural fast speech, and a variety of accents. 24 Hours in A&E and GPs Behind Closed Doors are also good for this. As Part A could be a consultation with any of the professions, you should also build up a bank of useful vocabulary for the 12 professions. Nothing too technical, just words you might hear in a consultation. Now we've looked at Part A, let's move on to look at listening Part B. In listening B, you will hear 6 different extracts, which could be a monologue or an interaction. Before you listen, the context will be stated and each extract will have a question and 3 possible answers to choose from. There is time to read each question before listening and underline key words, and you mark your answer by colouring in the circle with a pencil. Make sure you listen to all of the audio before choosing an option and that the option you choose answers the question. So what can you do in your self-study to improve listening B? Let's take a look at a few ideas. Listen to the audio after checking your answers and then use the transcripts to analyse the answers and notice why the other options are incorrect. You can also use it to notice signposting and linking phrases which connect the ideas in the audio together. You can also develop your knowledge of topic vocabulary. For example, here it is related to wounds. Remember to listen to the audio again without the transcript first and then just use the script to check. You want to train your ears, not your eyes, for listening. Listen to online training videos. For example, this one from the NHS. You can listen and make notes, decide what the healthcare professionals are doing, and note down what the healthcare professionals discuss both colleague to colleague and colleague to patient. And finally, let's take a look at Listening C and what you have to do to score high there. For Part C, you will hear 2 longer audios, which will be a presentation or an interview, and there are 6 questions for each audio. Each extract will have a question and 3 possible answers to choose from, and you mark the answer by colouring in the circle with a pencil. Before you listen, you have 90 seconds to read the questions and options. You should notice the structure of the interview and underline any key words. And remember, the questions often ask about views and opinions rather than facts. Like the other parts of the listening paper, it's really important that you improve your skills for listening Part C. Let's take a look at a few ideas of things you can do in your self-study. Use the transcripts and notice sounds in different accents. Develop your vocabulary. Review your answers and find links to the questions and options. And use the transcripts to improve your ability to understand fast speech. You can also analyse the scripts for language to express attitude and opinion or any indication as to the speaker's view. And make a note of phrases in your notebook. You can also analyse the scripts for signposting phrases, especially ones which link to the question. Practice listening to a variety of longer talks, such as from these websites. Use them to make notes on the main structure. Then listen again and make more detailed notes. And make a note of any expressions the speaker uses to organise their speech and express opinion. Okay, let's take a look at my top tips for listening. Use the pre-listening time effectively. Use transcripts during self-study. Develop your vocabulary. Listen to a variety of authentic audios to improve your listening skills and build stamina, and succeed in the OET exam. Which part of the listening paper do you find most challenging? A, B or C? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends and colleagues so we can help more people pass the exam. And don't forget to check out our website to see how we can help you pass. See you in the next video. Bye! Keep watching where I show you... No. Hello, I'm Jo from... Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first thing you need to do. The first thing you need to Now we've finished at part... We could do that. Now we've finished part A. And succeed in the OET exam. I forgot about that. Okay.